This is the Doubledown from Gerber. The Doubledown is unlike any other tool in the market. It combines the features of a knife, a machete, and a hatchet all in one compact package. During development, we obsessed over durability, knowing it needed to withstand years of extreme impact while still delivering finesse. The butterfly opening mechanism has gears to enable controlled and safe deployment to nearly double in size. The Doubledown is built for 3 activities: chopping, splitting, and core knife work. For your splitting tasks, we added jimping to the spine of the blade so that when you baton, all that energy is transferred straight into the wood. Whether you're clearing brush or small trees, the length of the Doubledown optimizes your force at impact. For core knife work, choking up on the handle gives complete control over the slightly recurved blade. The quad lock system is both safe and intuitive, with a built-in stop to remind users to clear their fingers from the path of the blade. For added strength and performance, features include a stability bar and an overstrike guard. It's available in 3 colors and comes with a multi-mount sheath that can be worn vertically on the belt or attached to MOLLE webbing. This hybrid tool is proudly made in the USA and ready for the outdoors.